Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make carrot puree using an easy method. First, choose about 1 pound of fresh, firm carrots. Make sure they are clean and peeled. Then, cut them into roughly 1-inch pieces. This helps them cook evenly and quickly. Uniform pieces are key for a smooth puree. This simple preparation sets you up for success. Now let's cook our carrots. You can either steam them or boil them until they are very tender. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the size of your pieces. The goal is for them to be easily pierced with a fork. Don't undercook them, as tenderness is crucial for a smooth, lump-free puree. Once your carrots are cooked and tender, it's time to puree them. Carefully transfer the hot carrots to a blender or food processor. Add a small amount of liquid, starting with about 1/4 cup. You can use the cooking water, vegetable broth, or even milk. Blend until completely smooth, adding more liquid a tablespoon at a time until you reach your desired consistency. To finish, taste your carrot puree and season it lightly with salt and a pinch of pepper if you like. It's now ready to serve warm as a delightful side dish or as homemade baby food. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your easy and delicious homemade carrot puree.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.